So this morning we're carrying on in the forward heads. Yesterday did all that face, the back facing and the doors and the ebonising. We've decided that's got to be ebony now. That doesn't look right. I will probably do the doors and that shelf. The worktop was just a beige top, just like that, and we've used some of our Find, the DC Fix countertop plastic, so that's now got to be trimmed into position. That's a rough fit. Take the sink out, that was there, and the tap out, that was there. We've got a new tap, we're going to put the original sink back in. Now we have the holes cut out for the new tap and for the original sink. So all I've got to do now is cover that top. And that's the top shelf done now. The overall effect. So now we've got the difficult bit. That was all the easy bit. I've got the new tap to fit. And there we are. Job done. Bowl back in. So new lever tap. Or faucet. So the next task is we've got to ebonise that, ebonise those doors, and ebonise that. And that's this part complete. And there we are, that's the final coat done. And the forward heads. Woohoo! At last we can go out. Let it settle a bit. And so for this journey, it's just a short hop up to the Humber Bridge, where we'll drop the hook and just check the systems out. Boy, does it feel good to be moving though. It's about 10 weeks sat in the marina. Ava Grace over. BTS, Ava Grace, just starting Hull Marina into Hull Marina. first run out, or partway through our first run out. We've now just anchored upstream of the Humber Bridge.
I know what depth we were in, we were okay.
So that was part one of the journey done. We lifted the hook just around high tide to head across to the other bank, and in doing so we spotted our neighbour on the way up. And here he is, just passing us my way, a Sea Line F33. It makes a lovely change to see other boats out on the water, as well as ourselves and my way. There was another cruiser and a yacht, all in the same vicinity. And as we reach the P&O terminal, it's time to turn and head back to our base and lock back in. And again, with the tide on the ebb, we'll go downstream from the entrance, have a nice set and run in against the tide. It's a little bit tricky because the entrance is getting silted up, and you'll have seen in previous videos where they've been trying to clear that, so we'll just have to watch where the bank is.
He's got port side. If he goes forward, it'll be alright. No, he's stopping up the back. So it's starboard side 2, Cannon. Starboard side 2.
And once in through the lock into the marina, we have to make our way back up to our berth. Mick, who's our neighbour, had a little problem. He didn't have his bow thruster working, so we had to give him a little bit more time. And in fact, we had a little journey around the marina. It's quite tight in the roadway. We have only about 10 feet difference between our overall length and the width available to spin around in.
Are we in? We had a nice tour of the marina.
So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Our first trip out since lockdown. There'll be more to come, so please do like, share and subscribe to see more motor cruising on Ava Grace.